I know you guys. Just really welcome to another vlog. I know you guys, I've actually been quite inconsistent with my vlogs, but I've actually been trying to vlog on like weeks where I know that interesting things are going to happen, and this is one of those weeks. Okay, so stay tuned and enjoy the vlog. I normally meal prep on Saturdays because my week is always like crazy busy, so I try to meal prep on Saturdays, like soups and other things, just so that I don't have to do so much cooking during the week. So yeah, that I'm done with that, and it's quite late in the day. It's like towards evening, so I am actually going to the mainland today. Yes, because my friend is celebrating her birthday party. Her birthday was Wednesday this week, so she wants to celebrate on Sunday. So I'm actually going to celebrate with her. Shout out to you, Juliet, and happy birthday, girly. Your girl is coming, okay? If you're joining me for the first time, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you are a returning subscriber, you're part of the gang, it's lovely to see you once again. Alright guys, I've already packed like a cute little traveling bag for my weekend getaway. So yeah, let's go. This is the outfit for today. Only you can see, just something simple for the trip. Yeah. Birthday girl. Hey, your lipstick is matching your phone pouch. Mama di mama. So cute. I need to show Irene this. I swear, this is so cute. My girl, have you seen my daughter? It's window shopping that we'll do when we finish eating. When we fell in love, we were young and innocent then. Do
remember how it all began? It just seems like been so I did it. And do you remember? I should be back in the fall. I should be back again. All day long. Do you remember us holding hands? Page of the time we spent. Tell me, do you remember the time we fell in love? You remember the time when we first met, girl? Oh, I fell in love. Do you remember the time? Do you remember how we used to talk? You know, we'd stay on the phone at night.
Happy birthday to you. Many more years on your birthday. Hip 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 hooray. Is it the fancy kid? You need to. It's not look like change. Hi guys, so yeah, I'm back, and you not believe I was feeling like so sick by the time I came back, so I had to cancel work for today and like go to the hospital. You not believe the last time I went to the hospital was March, like March, April, May, June, July, 5 months. So it's no surprise that I've been feeling ill on and off, having fever. So I decided to just go today and get checked, and I actually have malaria. So I'm just going to chill today, watch a movie, and rest because I'm always feeling tired. Like I don't even know. I've just been so ill. So yeah, guys, that's it. I'm having noodles and toast for breakfast with eggs, and I'll be watching a movie as well.
You left the tower 2 years ago.
Hi guys, I literally had the most emotional moments today. Like I've actually been quite overwhelmed with a lot of things, and I've been postponing some serious things I need to do. And then I just remembered that I had actually done a video on how to convince yourself to do difficult things so you don't procrastinate. And I said, let me go and watch my video thing. So I actually went all the way down my YouTube, and I actually found a video from 2 years ago. I was so skinny, you guys. But the video actually helped me. Like I had solid points. I mean, it was cheesy at the beginning, of course, that's normal, but like I literally had solid points, and I'm actually going to be taking my own advice from my old videos. That's just really cute. So yeah guys, I'm going to actually put the video on the screen just in case you are struggling with the same thing. You can actually check that video out. Okay, bye, see you tomorrow. Hi guys, we're actually having a color blocking day today. See what your girl is wearing. I'm so grossed out by my own outfit, like this vomit green. Ugh. But like that's the whole point. So let's go. I can't wait to see what other people are wearing. This is not even the full outfit yet, you guys. The headband of my hair is actually going to be red. So when I'm done with the full outfit, you guys are going to see it and you're going to scream and you're going to throw up because I am the color blocker of the nation. Another banger. Make a call, make a bong, 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 make a call, make a keep a deep bong, 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 your body, kakara, make a bong, 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 on a make it. You guys, guess what I found? So excited.
As the rain gets cold, my heart gets colder.